Guys, this video I'm calling it "Don't Do It." Okay, let me go a little bit, give a little history of what happened. All right, this is my Samsung Galaxy S3. Yep, it doesn't look like it now, but yeah, it once was a nice, beautiful brag about Samsung Galaxy S3. I know you have the S4 now, but hey. This is one I was satisfied with this one. Anyway, I was on the phone talking. I have my headphone jack hooked up to it, and someone called, and I just turned around and yanked the phone off the desk, and bam! It dropped on the floor, cracked the screen. Boom! I was mad. I was pissed off. Anyway, phone still works, so I was using it. Then every time I look at the screen, I get mad, so I go on YouTube and I look for replace Samsung Galaxy S3 screen. Wow, that's a savior. These guys know what they're doing. So I was watching the video. Oh, it's simple. All you have to do is take the little plastic piece off that's cracked and throw it in the garbage, clean it up with some alcohol, and put the new one on. Good. So I go on eBay and order the screen, and it comes in the mail here. Okay, there it is. Nice screen, pretty. Wow, it's good. The phone looked brand new again. You know, everything's all good. Everything comes with it. Sticker. Okay, I do this for a living. I do not phone repair, but I'm a technician. So, you know, no big deal. I can do it. Then I start to pry this thing off, the old one, and while I'm using my heat gun, nice heat gun, spend time and use the you know, the temperature gauge and make sure it's not overheated. I realized the piece that cracked on my phone wasn't the screen itself. It was the digitizer that's glued on to the screen. And that digitizer glued onto the screen plus glued onto the LCD, which is this piece here. Where it is? Somewhere here. So, you know, needless to say, while I was taking it off, I realized I was cracking it. So, this thing is really thin. Very thin. Thin piece of LCD. Very amazing piece of work. Samsung, these guys are brilliant. I mean, this thing is like paper thin. And this is the LCD I normally change. It's not a color LCD, it's just monochrome. And, you know, show you little digits and numbers and letters. Anyway, all same thing anyway. But, so, to make a long story short, please don't watch these videos and think you can replace this thing, the screen, because sometimes this piece cracked and it shows, but 9 times out of 10 the piece that cracked is the digitizer that's underneath this screen that's glued on real good. And the digitizer is glued on also to your LCD. So chances are, if you have a cracked screen and you don't like it, bury it, you know, or go ahead and replace the whole assembly. So yes, I did damage my LCD plus the digitizer. So I wasn't happy. And this piece right here, this is connected. This is the digitizer right here. This is the glass for the digitizer that's connected to the screen like this. And this is the LCD that's thin. So when you're pulling on the glue and if any piece of this comes up, it's gonna crack, and there's no chance it can prevent that from happening. Very, very little chance. So I go ahead and bought a used front piece from someone on eBay, and just got it in today. And you know, I opened it already just to make sure it doesn't have any crack. It look good. So this tutorial is about replacing this piece or installing this piece. So what I show you just now, this piece right here, the glass piece, is really this piece, and the LCD is glued on to the front, to the back piece of this, and the digitizer is glued, is sandwiched in between the LCD and this, and it's glued on good. So it's going to be hard to really separate both pieces without damaging anything or any ribbon or any circuitry. All right, so bear with me, guys. I'm going to put this down, and then you can walk me, you can follow me through this repair work I'm going to do. Okay. Hey guys, so here what we're going to do today. I'm going to put this piece I just bought from eBay. Transfer my old parts, which is this piece, the motherboard, and the covering, and some other piece that comes with my my damaged screen. I'm gonna transfer everything. Well, nothing here to transfer, but anything that's here, I'm gonna transfer to this screen. So this one is a used screen, so what I'm hoping for is the LCD is good and the digitizer is okay. So let's do it. Okay, so first let's examine both to make sure they have everything. So this one have some kind of a motorized vibrator for buzzing. So this one is there. The circuit board, that's the screen right here. That circuit you're looking at, that's the LCD screen. This is the ribbon, the LCD ribbon, which also connect the digitizer to the same ribbon. So the digitizer and the LCD is connected to this one ribbon. And this piece here, I think, controls my LED or my proximity sensor. This one is for the front camera, and this is for the I guess the Wi-Fi antenna. So all of them is there. This one also have the camera, so I don't have to change this. This one have the LED and the front and the proximity sensor, so I don't have to change it. I think this is supposed to be, I don't know, either it's a speaker or something. So let's go to work. So I'm going to place this here. Okay. Take this out of the way. Okay. And put this camera in that slot. And seems like it's fitted okay. Alright. So let's see if I can seat this properly first before, putting other stuff on. This thing is my mini coaxial cable. So I'm going to attach this. Not connected yet. Use a flat screwdriver. and it's connected now, so it's there. A little fight, but it's good. Okay. This is connected there. And this needs to be seated. So this is the power button, and making sure that it's working, and it's working. And my volume rocker is working. So let's connect this ribbon here. And it's good. Then the camera. And that's clicked on OK. And now for the LCD. Sure don't bend anything. And that's on good. The mini coaxial that was given out of the trouble. That's on. So far it looks like I just installed the motherboard. Now to put this black screw back on here. So where is my screw base? So I'm gonna take this out. Let me zoom in a little bit. Fix this over here. Okay. So let's put the screws in. First, let's put the black screw in there. Go ahead and put on the back piece. So this screw here don't need to be screwed by itself. So this screw hold this one down. This hold this. This hold this. This hold this one. This hold this one here. This hold this one. And that one too. Okay, okay, so there's something missing here. Okay, this piece. So need to install this piece right here. I'm gonna put this down. Make sure it click. Okay, and that's installed. Let's press this in. That's clicked. So that's all seated down right there. So I'm not worried about the LCD because I think, you know, when I broke mine, the LCD still work. The digitizer still work. So I'm hoping that. Okay, I forgot to put this on. I'm hoping that the digitizer work plus the LCD. So okay, let's go from there. So let's do this. Screw this on. Screw it on. Okay, that clicked in. This feels kind of spongy. So let me check and see if I did something wrong here. Like something not seated properly. Okay, there you go. Just need to be pressed in. Alright, so put the screws in. Okay, so this is the last screw. Okay. Alright, man. Now for the moment of truth. I'm trying to make sure everything's right. Let's pull it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, Samsung Galaxy 3, that's good. Let's see if we go through the boot process. Okay, I don't hear any sound. Should make a funny sound right here. So, got my Sprint logo coming up. I can't wait to try the keypad. That's the main thing too. Sound and the keypad. Okay, Samsung, come on. Okay, keypad. Uh-oh. There you go. Good, 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 good. You don't know how happy I am just to do this. This is the main part. Okay, so let's see now why I didn't hear any sound. Let's look through my picture. Yeah, this is a model airplane. I love. Okay, there we go. You get a sound. I love model airplanes. So this is a model that I'm actually working on. Hope to fly it next week. Okay, all right. So let's